Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change ignore chord duration in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down again and then find the braille and then tap. Then in the braille section, scroll down and then find the ignore chord duration and then tap again. Then after that, in this part, in the ignore chord duration, you can adjust the duration per seconds by tapping the positive button located on this part, just like this. And as you will see that the seconds are added. And if you want to lessen or shorten the duration of your ignore chord, just tap the negative sign. And take note, the amount of time required before subsequent key presses will be recognized as braille chords. And that's it. We have successfully changed ignore chord duration in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!